Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your brother HL L2370DW facing a paper jam issue? In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to check for jam paper. So let's start with the back of the printer. Go to the rear side of your printer. Open the back cover. Inspect for any jam papers and remove gently if found. Close the back cover. Go to the front of the printer. Open the paper tray and check if the papers are properly installed. Now close the paper tray. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other issues with your brother printer, let us know in the comments. Open the front cover. Now take out the drum. Press the green tab on the left side to pop out the ink toner. Now check for any stuck papers or debris. Take a look inside the printer to check for jam paper. Check the ink toner for any stuck papers. Now reassemble all the parts. Now close the front cover and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.